March, week 4. Math, 3rd grade, lesson 3. Identifying patterns. A group of numbers can form a number pattern. For example, what's the next number? 8, 12, 16, 20, 24,
30.
28. Wait, what?
Well, what's it going up by?
32.
What's it going up by?
It's 8.
4. So what's the next number?
28.
28. Yay. And now we don't have to look at their patterns, right? But if you look down there, they added 4 more. And it's 20.
Yeah.
And we skipped that.
Next page.
We only have to write 2 and an 8 and we're done.
They're going to do the same thing, except this time they're going to use this hundreds chart. And they're going 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And look at how cool is this. Circle the 8. Count 4 more. Circle the 12. Count 4 more. Count 4 more. Count 4 more. Count 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're on the 28. Okay? So if you go down to the bottom there, the next number in the pattern is 28.
Wow. Only a circle 28.
But there was a try.
Find the missing number in this pattern. 6, 12, 18, something, 30, 36.
Oh, it's going by 6s, so 24 is missing number.
Okay, Silas says it's going by 6s. 24 is the missing number. On the chart, go to the 18 and count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you on the 24? Circle it. Okay. They want you to make sure, so they're saying you can check that the 24 is the correct answer. JD, find 6 more than 24. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should be at the 30. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to the next page. Page 61. Find the next number in this pattern. 47, excuse me, 47, 44, 41, 38, 35. Before we try and find it, what's the difference?
It's going down.
It's decreasing.
Decreasing.
So it's either takeaway or division.
Yes.
Look at the numbers in the pattern. The numbers are decreasing. This could be a subtraction pattern. Subtract to go from one number to the next. 47 take away 44 is 3. All right, is that true?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, now they're going to the next one from 44 to 41. 44 take away 41, 3 again. So what do you think the pattern is?
It's 3.
It's
Add 3,
Subtract 3.
subtract 3. Okay. So to find the next number in the pattern, it's 3 less than 35.
32.
32.
I want to say it, but no.
Go ahead and put it right there. Everybody? Reuben? Okay. Let's do 62. If you add an even number and an odd number, is the sum even or odd? Who remembers? Because we did that like a month ago.
It's odd.
Odd. Yes. Good. So we can use an addition table. Add an even number and an odd number. Try 4 plus 9. Put your finger on the 4, other finger on the 9.
13.
13. It's odd, just like Griffin said. Okay? Decide if 3 is an even or odd number. It's odd. Try other addition problems with an even and an odd number. 0 plus 1. 1 is 1. 2 plus 3. 5, it's odd. 6 plus 5, use your fingers. 11, it's odd. 8 plus 7. 15, it's odd. So the rule is the sum of an even and odd number is always odd. Let's go to the next page, page 63. Draw the dots in the next set in this pattern. Who would like to walk us through that? Silas.
That's page 64.
Oh, I missed a page. Thank you.
We're doing something else.
If you multiply, if
Yay.
you multiply an even and an odd number, is the product even or odd? Who remembers? Yes, it is. All right. Use a multiplication table and try 6 times 5. So put your finger on the 6, finger on the 5. What do you get?
30.
30, which is even.
Mhm.
So if one factor is odd and the other one is even, your product will be even. What if both factors are even? Your product will be even. Okay? If the only time you're going to get an odd number with multiplying is if you have 2 odd factors. Both factors have to be odd, and then your product is going to be odd.
And an even and
So let's look at, they want you to try it with some other ones. 0 times 1 is 0, which is even. 2 times 3
This is
is 6, which is even. 4 times 7 is 28, which is even. And 8 times 9,
72.
which is even. Okay? So the rule is the product of an even number and an odd number is always an even.
Yep.
Okay, now we can go to 64 and do some practice. And Silas, you had your hand up, so talk us through the first one. What do you see?
So it looks like it's going by 5.
Yep.
So
Multiplying or plussing?
plus.
Good. That's what it looks like to me. Okay.
So 5 plus 17 is 22.
Okay.
So we're gonna draw 22 rows.
And it looks like they want us to do rows of 3 for some reason. Okay, guys? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And do you notice where they're putting extra ones? They're always kind of over on the right. So we're going to put the last block way over here on the right.
You can erase.
22.
It was flat and then had 1 or 2 sticking out. It's a pattern.
Everybody good? Okay. Number 2, describe the number pattern.
It's going by
Up, 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 up. You just got to do one, sweetie. Gideon.
plus 6.
Good. Because 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So it works. Plus 6. Number 3. No, you just did one, Gideon. Gauge.
Down 5.
Looks like that to me. Do you all agree?
Yep.
Going down by 5, everybody?
Mhm.
Okay, dividing or subtracting gauge? Yeah. Remember, sometimes when things decrease, they can be dividing, but he's correct. This is a subtract 5 one. Number 4.
Add 5.
Next time, put your hand up.
Plus 7.
Gideon. Plus 7? Yes. Because 7 plus 7 is 14, right? And 14 plus 7 is 21. Alright. Now this time they don't want you to name the pattern, they want you to find the next number in the pattern. So number 5, 16, 19, 22, 25.
28.
You put a quiet hand up. Griffin, let's have you have a go at that one. What do you think's going on?
So 16, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's adding 3.
Well, you have to double check. Go from 19 to 22 and make sure.
19.
20, 21, 22. Okay, so now you're sure.
Yep.
So now go ahead and tell us the next number.
25, 26, 27, 28.
28. Over here to number 6. Gauge, nice hand.
20. Going down 7.
So it's
Oh, I thought we were on number
number 6 here.
51.
Yeah, because it's adding
5.
5. Good. Number 7. Silas.
20.
I agree. Because it's subtracting
7.
7.
That's the easiest one.
Yeah, that one was pretty easy. Number 8, Reuben.
It's 24.
Yep, and he double checked. Did you guys see him? He checked if it was. I saw you going 4 from the 8 to the 12 and 4 again. Good job. So yeah, it's 24. Okay, is the sum of an odd or is the sum an odd or even number? First one.
Odd.
Yep. Next one. Odd again. Next one.
Even. Poor even. He has no friends.
I know.
They can hold into.
He could turn into an odd.
Okay, go ahead and flip. Last page.
What?
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Is the product odd or even? Right,
Even.
odd or
Even.
First one, it is even. Remember, because with a product, with a product, even if only one of the factors is even, it's going to be even. Both factors have to be odd for the product to be odd.
Oh yeah. If it's time.
Odd.
Okay, second one.
Odd.
Yes.
Even. Even.
One's even, so now even has friends and odd doesn't.
Or maybe they're brothers and they're just getting carried away by their odd numbers.
Or they can next visit the next page,
Yeah. They could. That's a good idea. They can just visit with those guys.
and then they would be 3 evens.
Poor odd.
Okay, ready? Choose the best answer. Shun added a number to 4. The sum was even. Which could be the other number he added?
He could have had
The
5.
6.
That's the only one you could.
Because that's the only even added. Remember, with a sum, right? If you add an odd and an even, you're going to get odd with a sum, not with a product. Okay, number 16. Kayla multiplied a number by 3. The product was odd. Which could be the other number that she multiplied?
7.
Good. Here's your other
I was
factor.
gonna say 6, but that wasn't even. I was gonna say 5, but 5 wasn't on there.
So the 7 is the only possible factor, right, that goes with 3 to make an odd product. Okay, 17. Caroline read 8 pages on Monday, 16 on Tuesday, 24 on Wednesday, and 32 on Thursday. If the pattern continues, how many will she read on Friday?
40.
Yes.
30. What?
You skipped down at your 8s, didn't you?
Yeah, 30.
That's confusing.
Oh yeah, I thought it was 32.
Well, she
Yeah.
read 32, so yes, the next thing would be 40. Okay. 18. Number 18. If you multiply an even number by any number, the product is an even number.
No.
Give 3 examples to show that this is true. Gideon, give us our first one.
1 times 2.
And it makes.
3 times 8.
Whoa. It makes.
And it makes.
What's our product? 2. Okay, somebody else. I know you could do it, but we're going to let somebody else do the next one. Griffin.
8 times 4.
Okay. And it is.
4, 8, 16, 32.
32. Silas.
1 plus 1.
No
Oh,
question.
whoops.
Read the directions, Silas.
Multiplication. Okay. 6 times 6.
Okay. Let's go back to. Hey, Silas. No, stop. Griffin's had 2 even factors. Canadians had an odd and even. Let's go back to an odd and even. 6 times
What?
not 1. You used 1. That's another. I want one of the factors to be odd.
6 times 5.
Okay. And what does it make?
54.
And as you can see, the first one only had one even factor. The second one had both factors even. The third one only had one even factor. But the products, I'm going to circle those in orange, are all even.
Yep.
So the rule is good. Nope. 19. How does the distributive property,
The wholeness and the wholeness to say.
how does the distributive property help you know that the product of 8 times 5 is an even number?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, ready? They're starting it for you. It's not that hard.
You just write 5 in the first.
Thank you, Ruben. All we have to do is put a 5 in that first, the second set of parentheses on the first line there. So 8 times 5 is 4 times 5
20.
plus 4 times 5, which is,
40.
excuse me, you guys, I'm going to start again. Please don't say anything until Miss Annie pauses. All right. 8 times 5 is 40. 4 times 5 plus 4 times 5, which is
40. It's 40. Wait. 20.
20. Thank you. Plus
Plus 20.
20. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Which is 40. 40. Okay. So they wrote it out for you. You didn't really have to do that much. You just had to sort of
Yeah.
take it step by step and plug in the correct numbers.
I don't like this property.
Me either.
I don't like the distributive property. But
Don't forget to write your name.
if you're, thank you. Please flip it over and write your name. I do think that someday you'll appreciate the distributive property when you're doing something like 4,392 times
Oh my god.
5,062.
5,784, and you're going to be like, okay, I gotta split
I would
this.
just skip it.
Take care of it. You might appreciate it then.
I would just skip it.